everyone, всем привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. Today we're making блинчики. Yes, you've heard that right. In Russian we're making блинчики с курицей и грибами. So basically it means pancakes stuffed with chicken and mushroom. This filling is amazing. I really love sort of meaty pancakes and I wanted to go for like a healthy alternative, and I love mushrooms as well. So feel free to try this recipe. I really hope you like it. They're literally my favorite and I love these easy sort of meals that you can have for dinner or lunch. And what's good about it is that you can freeze them for later and just defrost and your meal is ready. Okay guys, let's get started. In a pan, add your chicken. I'm using chicken thighs because I prefer them. They're a bit fatty and juicier, but you can use breast as well. Add some cold water and we're going to boil the chicken for about 40 minutes or so. Once the chicken is done, you want to take it out and you want to assemble it on a plate and leave it to cool down completely. And then using your fingers, you want to break it into small pieces. You can season the chicken with salt and pepper once it's boiled, or you can boil it in a tasty broth and then eat the broth afterwards as well. So do this with all of the chicken, and we're gonna place this into our bowl and set it aside. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Next, you want to make your mushroom filling. Cut your onion into nice small thin pieces and then add butter and your onion into a pan. We're going to fry this until it's nice and golden and caramelized. Then you want to add your mushrooms and mix everything together and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add salt and pepper and some garlic powder if you want, and mix everything until it's done. Now let's make the blini. In a bowl, add your eggs and then sugar and salt. Then you want to whisk this on high speed until your mixture doubles. Then you want to add milk and sift your flour straight in there, and then using a whisk, mix it all again. Then add your oil and mix everything one more time and your mixture is ready to go. Make sure your pan is nice and hot and you want to add your first ladle on top, and then swirl it around and cook it for a few minutes on each side. Your first pancake might not be good, but just keep going and then you will have a stack of delicious blинchiki. Then take each pancake and we're going to start putting a filling inside. Place about 1 tablespoon of the filling and then add your chicken and roll everything together. Just using your hands from the sides, fold it in and then kind of roll in, and you'll create a beautiful pancake. So you want to repeat the process with the rest of the pancakes and the fillings, and just keep doing that. It shouldn't take you too long. The longest process will probably be making the pancakes. Just before serving, you want to fry them up until you have that crispy sort of pancake on top. If you're eating them straight away, I would suggest adding oil into your pan. Make sure it's very hot. Place your blинchiki in there and then fry it on a very nice high heat so you get that crispy topping. Then serve it on a plate with some sour cream and greens or whatever you like to eat your pancakes with, and really enjoy. They should be very crispy outside, very soft in the middle with that delicious filling inside. So yummy. Thanks for watching, guys.